Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna, and I am so happy you're here today.
And I'm David. Hello, hello. It is wonderful to be here with all of you. Anna, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little tired. I had a very busy week, but right now, talking to you all, I feel so much better. How about you, David?
I feel great, actually. Today is my day off, so I'm relaxed. I had a good breakfast. I have my coffee right here. It's a good morning.
I love that. A slow morning is the best feeling. Okay, before we get into today's topic, we have one small favor to ask you.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow.
And share this episode with one friend who is learning English. Just one person. Together, we grow. Okay, David, are you ready?
I am 100% ready. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is daily routines, but we are not going to do a simple morning, afternoon, evening list. Instead, I want to compare two very different days, my crazy, stressful weekday and David's perfect, relaxing weekend.
Oh, this is going to be interesting. Two very different kinds of days, same vocabulary, very different feelings.
Exactly. And for all of you listening, whether you are at home, on the bus, at the gym, think about your own day. Which one sounds more like you?
Okay, Anna, tell me about a typical weekday for you, and don't leave out the bad parts.
Okay. So it usually starts with my alarm. My alarm goes off at 6:30 in the morning. But here's the problem. I always press snooze.
Snooze? What does snooze mean?
Snooze is a button on your phone or alarm clock. When you press snooze, the alarm stops, but only for 10 minutes. Then it rings again. I press it 3, sometimes 4 times.
Oh no, so you wake up late?
Almost every day. I finally wake up at 7 o'clock, and then I have to rush. Rush means to move very fast because you don't have enough time.
So what do you do first when you wake up?
I get up, go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. Very fast. Maybe 3 minutes total. Then I get dressed. No time to think about what to wear, so I just grab the first thing I see.
That explains some interesting outfits.
David! Okay, maybe. Anyway, then breakfast. Do I eat a nice breakfast? No. I eat a piece of toast while I'm standing in the kitchen, looking at my phone, checking my emails.
Standing? Not even sitting down?
No time to sit. Then I grab my bag, my keys, my coffee. Yes, I pour it into a travel mug, and I run to the door.
A travel mug. That's a cup you can carry with you, right? With a lid so the coffee doesn't spill.
Exactly. It's a lifesaver. Okay, so I leave the house and I start my commute. Commute means the journey from your home to your work or from work back home. My commute is about 40 minutes by subway.
Is the subway busy in the morning?
So busy. It's packed. Packed means completely full of people. There's no space. Everyone is tired, no one is talking. Some people are sleeping standing up.
Sleeping standing up? That is a skill.
I know. I use the time to listen to a podcast or review my notes. Then I arrive at work. I say good morning to my colleagues. Colleagues means the people you work with. I sit down at my desk, and then the meetings start.
Do you like meetings?
Some meetings are useful. Some feel like they could be an email. But we discuss projects, share updates, solve problems. I drink more coffee. By 11 o'clock, I've had 3 coffees already.
3 coffees? Anna!
Don't judge me. Okay, then comes lunchtime. This is my favorite part of the workday. I take a real break. I step away from my desk, I go outside if the weather is okay, or I eat with a friend from work. We talk, we laugh. It's a chance to relax my mind.
That's important. Taking a real break, not eating at your desk, is so much better for your brain.
Completely. Then back to work for the afternoon. I check tasks, reply to emails, sometimes have another meeting. By 5 or 6 o'clock, I'm exhausted. Exhausted means very, very tired. More than just tired, like your body is empty.
I know that feeling very well.
So I pack up my things and I start the commute home. On the way home, I don't even look at my phone. I just stare out the window and decompress. Decompress means to slowly let go of the stress of the day.
That's a great habit, actually.
I get home, change into comfortable clothes immediately, that's the first thing, and then I cook dinner. Nothing complicated, maybe pasta or a simple stir fry. I eat, I wash the dishes, and then I collapse on the sofa.
Collapse? That sounds dramatic.
It is! I just fall onto the sofa and I don't move. I watch one episode of something on TV, just one, I tell myself, and then I try to sleep by 10:30. Oh, but before I sleep, I write down 3 things I need to do tomorrow. Just 3. It helps my mind feel clear.
A to-do list for tomorrow. That's smart. You don't carry it all in your head.
Exactly. Write it down and your brain can relax. And then sleep. Finally. Okay, David, now you. Your weekend sounds very different from my weekday. Tell me everything.
Very different. So first difference, no alarm. On the weekend, I let my body wake up naturally.
No alarm? That's a dream.
I usually wake up around 8 or 8:30. I don't rush. I stretch in bed, just lie there and stretch my arms and legs. Then I get up slowly, I go to the kitchen, and I make a real breakfast.
A real breakfast? What do you eat?
Eggs, maybe some avocado toast, fresh orange juice. I actually sit at the table. I don't look at my phone for the first 30 minutes. I just eat and enjoy the quiet.
No phone for 30 minutes? Honestly, that sounds incredible and also very difficult.
It was hard at first, but now I love it. After breakfast, I go for a run. I put on my trainers. Trainers means sports shoes, running shoes, and I go to the park near my house.
How long do you run?
About 30 minutes. I'm not very fast, but that's okay. After the run, I feel alive, like my whole body woke up properly. Then I come home, have a shower, and make a cup of tea.
Not coffee?
On weekdays, coffee. On weekends, tea. It's slower, more peaceful.
I love that. The same routine, but different pace. Pace means the speed of something. A slow pace, a fast pace.
Exactly. So mid-morning on the weekend, I usually do something I enjoy. Sometimes I journal.
Journal? You write in a diary?
Yes, a journal is like a diary. You write about your thoughts, your feelings, what happened. It helps me think clearly and feel calm. I write for maybe 15 minutes, just a few sentences, nothing fancy.
What else do you do on weekends?
I usually call my mom in the afternoon. I call her every weekend. We chat for about half an hour. She tells me what's happening at home. I tell her about my week. It's one of my favorite parts of the weekend.
That's so sweet. Calling family is so important. You have a routine even for that. Same time every week.
Yes, routines don't have to be boring. They can be things you look forward to. Look forward to means you are excited about something coming in the future.
I look forward to weekends. Is that okay?
Perfectly okay. So for lunch on weekends, I sometimes cook something new. I like to try a new recipe. Last weekend, I made a Thai curry. It took about an hour, but it was delicious.
You cooked for an hour? On a weekday, I have 15 minutes maximum.
That's the difference. The weekend gives you time. Time to cook, to eat slowly, to actually taste your food.
And the afternoon?
The afternoon is for fun. Sometimes I meet a friend for a walk, or I go to the library, or I go to a market. I love walking around a food market, trying different things. It's relaxing and social at the same time.
Social means being with other people, interacting, talking, and that's good for you.
So good. Then in the evening, a nice dinner, maybe I order from a restaurant, a little treat, watch a film, read before bed. I go to sleep a bit later on weekends, maybe 11:30 or midnight, but I feel completely rested the next morning.
I'm honestly a little jealous of your weekend, David.
But here's the thing, Anna. Some of these habits you could add to your weekday, even just a few minutes of them.
That's true. Even 5 minutes of quiet in the morning changes the whole day.
Okay, let's do a quick review. We used a lot of great vocabulary today. Anna, can you help me go through the most important ones?
Of course. Let's start with morning verbs. Wake up. Your eyes open. You are no longer sleeping. Get up. You leave your bed. You stand up. These two are different.
Yes. I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:10. There are 10 minutes when I'm just lying there.
Very honest. Then get dressed, have breakfast, brush your teeth. These are all part of your morning routine. Then the commute, your journey to work. It can be by car, by bus, by subway, by bicycle.
At work, we meet our colleagues, we attend meetings, we work on tasks. During the day, we take a lunch break. We stop working and eat lunch.
In the evening, come home, cook dinner, relax, and go to sleep. These are the basic building blocks. You can use them to describe any day.
And we also talked about feelings during the day. Rushed, exhausted, stressed. And on the other side, relaxed, refreshed, energized, peaceful.
Feelings are so important when you describe your day. Don't just say what you did, say how you felt. That makes your English more natural and more interesting. And we have a question for the comments today. We want to know, are you more like weekday Anna, busy and rushing, or weekend David, slow and peaceful? Or maybe a little bit of both?
Tell us in the comments. Writing a comment in English is brilliant practice. Don't worry about mistakes. We love reading every single one.
You have all done amazing work today. You listened, you learned, and you followed along with 2 very different days in English. That is something to be proud of.
Keep going. Every episode you listen to, every new word you learn, every sentence you try, it all adds up. You are getting better every single day.
Thank you so much for being here with us today on Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. We will see you in the next episode.
Take care of yourselves, drink your water, and enjoy your day, weekday or weekend. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.